How's everyone doing? This is Benjamin Raven with MLive.com with your weather report for Thursday, February 14th. Let some people join in as I like to before we get going. Good morning, everyone. Benjamin Raven here with MLive. Going to bring you the weather report for Thursday, February 14th into Friday. We will touch on the weekend forecast a little bit. I'm filling in for Mark Torregrossa today. Look for Mark back soon, but you got another day with me. So let's get into the weather report. Just going to give it a second, let some people come in here. My graphics and notes are ready to go. Good morning. How you doing today? More snow for the Upper Peninsula and northern Michigan. Hey there. How you doing? Sparta, Traverse City. Traverse City, that's the area that could be looking at some more snow, unfortunately. That's the theme of the day. I was looking through everything, kind of gathering, putting stuff together today, and the first line I see on the weather report for the National Weather Service in Gaylord and Marquette is like, you can almost like read a sigh, like, yet more accumulating snow. We will get into that. Good morning from the thumb. Yeah, snow for the UP, rain a little south of that. Areas in the lower peninsula could be looking at some rain showers in the evening into tonight. But it looks like I'm looking at a graphic and I'm going to show you guys. I just wanted to run through like the brief synopsis before I got into the regional breakdowns and stuff like that. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. That's right. That's right. Snow and rain tracking north today. There could be some ice mixture towards the northern tip of the Mitt and the lower Michigan, just because there's another line of snow and rain kind of passing through northern Michigan right now. And let's get right into it. Let's get right into that. Here's some graphics for you. Here's our radar today. I'll tell you when it starting up right here, about 11 a.m. This runs through midnight tonight, and that's what we're looking at today, right? Are we just, yeah. I know there is a brief warm-up rolling through the state today before it starts to cool down over the weekend, but here's what here's what we're looking at for today. This is through midnight tonight. As you can see, the UP is looking at some more snow, and this is what I was talking about here. This is like where we could see some ice along these lines right here, basically going up to the bridge and stuff like that. But yeah, as people join in, this is what you need to know right here. And this is about 8 o'clock tonight, midnight, right there. Yeah, so some rain chances down here in southeast Michigan, the thumb, mostly in the thumb and that Saginaw Valley. Rain through here. Snow, and let's see if I can find my accumulation graphic right here. Yeah, this is what we're looking at in regards to snowfall today. And here's that line where it starts to turn straight to rain and stuff like that. But 6 to 8 inches potentially in the eastern UP. Another 4 to 6 here in northern LP. And then through the Gaylord, Alpena, Traverse City, Frankfort range, 2 to 4, Cadillac, about 1 to 2 inches here. Everywhere else, you know, south of this line of snow, it's going to be, like, it sounds like a ½ inch to an inch at the most of any accumulating snow south of this. This is our snow band tonight. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, once again, we'll get into that for people just joining in. Here's our current look at watches, warning, and advisories for the state. Winter storm warning is that pink. That purple is a winter weather advisory. Unfortunately, that pink does not mean good news on Valentine's Day. Yeah. Wind chill warnings over here to our west. And there's like, you can't see it on the map here, but there's like a defined line running south from up here to down of just winter weather advisories. But let's get into the Michigan temperatures. Here we go. This is the west side of the state. This is what we're looking at today. This is that warm-up I'm talking about today. I mean, it's brief, but we could top 40 degrees on the west side of the state. It's going to be a little warmer on the east side. Let's take a look at that. Let's see how good I am with my graphics today. Here we are. These are our high temperature map for today. As you can see, these are the high 20s, low 30s in the UP, low 30s through here. These are 40s. You know, the darker blue you get, that's the warmer we're getting here. We're getting on the low 40s. That's ridiculous. But here we go. Let's switch over to our low temperature map overnight. Hello, cold front. Cold front is coming in. The Tri-Cities, potential rain tonight. Not much snow. And if there's any snow, it's not going to accumulate more than a ½ inch or anything like that. The temperatures are going to... like that rain and snow band basically cuts off right here. This is a storm that's tracking about like right through here. I don't expect much rain from everything I've read and looked at today to impact southern lower Michigan today. But this is low temperatures overnight. This is that cold front moving in. Back to the good news map. Mark's just off. He's human. That's people take time off. I'm just filling in. Everybody acts like Mark goes away forever and he takes a day off. It's all good. Here's our high temperature map for tomorrow. As I said, yeah, that cold front comes in pretty quickly. We're going to cool down throughout the weekend, but the news coming through on the weekend is that it's going to be mostly calm, dry, calm conditions. I think everyone will agree with this line that I read on the weather service this morning. No real impactful weather until possibly next Wednesday. Unfortunately, that doesn't go for the UP or northern lower Michigan. You got to get through tonight. One more night, guys. A little more snow. It's 4 to 6 inches through here, 2 to 4 through here, and everywhere south it's about 2 here, and everywhere south if you get any snow, it's going to be less than an inch here. Oh, shoot. Let's see how much those cold temperatures get rolling right here. Yeah. Oh, no worries at all. Just I fill in for Mark so he can get a little time off. But yeah, this is that cold. These are overnight low temperatures through the weekend. Unfortunately, with the calm conditions, it is going to get pretty cold. You never want to see that shade of purple. As pretty as it is, you don't want to see that purple. That's single digits. These are teens right here. Oh yeah, it's going to get cold over the weekend. Once again, for those just joining us, this is the story of the day. Rain and snow system tracking north through here, accumulating snow once again for our friends to the north. I'm sorry about that. Here's what we're looking at in the thumb. I appreciate it. Higher temperatures today. This is where our chance of rain is today, up through here. It's going to be breezier and cooler on Friday. Minor accumulation. Don't worry about that, but here's our temperatures. You can see these slowly dropping throughout the weekend. We got a high of about 40 today, so we dropped pretty sharply overnight. The rain could make for a sloppy mess just because there's so much out there. But yeah, that's what you're going to want to look out for basically in lower Michigan today. Is just melting stuff with the potential of a little more lake effect scattered on the west side and maybe a little more rain showers in the evening on the east side. Absolutely. No, Mark's the best. I'm trained by Mark. I love Mark as much as you guys. And then I enjoyed this. Here, this is what I was looking for. Sorry for the million tabs. National Weather Service. Marquette is having some fun. This is what they woke up with this morning. Yeah, more snow, eh? Yeah, I'm sorry. We're looking at more accumulation. This is a perfect map of where we're looking at that accumulation. Oh, here we go. Another daily record. We talked about this outside of the weather service in Marquette. They reported 16.5 inches of snow in 15 hours. They got another 9.1 yesterday, 25.6 inches. Once again, here's our high temperature map for today. This is where that rain and snow system comes through. Let's zoom in on the area where we're looking at precipitation. Obviously, it's going to be snow in the UP, so they're below around freezing. And then this is our area where we could be looking at some more snow and rain right here. But yeah, as you can see, these high temperatures, this is where it could mix with freezing, as I said, in the middle part of that storm system. Everywhere south of here should just be rain and then about a ½ inch of snow. Low temperatures overnight. It's going to get cold. Once again, this is through the weekend. Not a ton to talk about outside of northern Michigan today. But yeah, here's our map of the Midwest. 7 a.m., 8 a.m., noon right here through midnight. You can kind of see that storm just overtake the UP. As you can see, it's going to be scattered showers throughout southern lower Michigan. Some showers in the thumb, but mostly that snow and the heaviest rain is tracking to the north. So unfortunately for the people who got the most snow this week, you're going to have a little more precipitation, and hopefully it's only for the next 12 hours. But running through the regional forecast, Grand Rapids today, it's going to be a warm-up, high in the high 30s, low 40s. You could reach the 40. It's going to be colder air. Takes all that away tonight into tomorrow. As it gets windy, wind gusts on Friday and Saturday are going to be what to look out for. Blowing snow, whiteout conditions, all that fun stuff we've been dealing with for what it feels like is 3 weeks straight right now. Let's get a little closer look at Michigan here. I just like to show the full picture. Detroit, southeast in the thumb, high in the high 30s. could reach the low 40s as we saw. There's a chance of rain tonight, could mix with snow, but that's mostly in the Thumb and through the Saginaw Valley. It's going to be dry through Saturday. There is a chance of light snow showers on Sunday on the east side of the state, Upper Peninsula, northern lower Michigan. Tip of the mitt, eastern UP, 4 to 7 inches tonight. We did see the higher areas that could see some more snow along Lake Superior. Dry, quiet conditions Friday through Sunday morning, outside of some scattered lake effect snow. Winds 35 to 40 miles per hour. That's the only thing keeping us from having a completely quiet weekend. But yeah, guys, that's what we're looking at for today, into Friday, into the weekend. It sounds like it could be a quiet weekend after another day / overnight of storms, rain, and snow for the Upper Peninsula and northern lower Michigan. The rest of us are enjoying a brief warm-up before it gets cold and windy and gusty on Friday and through the weekend. Make sure to join the Michigan Weather Group on Facebook to stay up to date with everything. I am planning a weather forecast post today to run through everything we're looking at today and tomorrow, and I also will look to get a weekend weather forecast up on MLive.com by the end of the day today. So yeah, if you're in the UP or traveling through northern Michigan, safe travels today. They are under some a winter storm warning, winter weather advisory. There's some wind chill warnings tracking in with that cold front that's on its way to us. We have no proactive wind chill advisories or anything like that yet, but that's something to keep an eye out as the cold front moves in and winds pick up. But yeah, pretty much that is it right there. Stay safe out there, and once again, sorry to bring more bad news to northern Michigan and the Upper Peninsula. As we said, we got about 26 inches this week of snowfall in Marquette, so that is brutal. And thanks for tuning in, guys.